Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey beautiful people, thank you for coming back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another honest opinion review video. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Voss Essential Pro Palette. And I'm going to show you the colors. These are the colors in them. I got this free with my new BoxyCharm subscription. But if you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, and let's get into this honest opinion review of the Voss Essentials palette. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows off camera. They look pretty good. So what I'm going to do first is take an eyeshadow primer base in my P. Louise Rumor 1. Just put a little bit on my eyelids so we can get that clean canvas finish that we want. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do, but that's okay. We're just going to test out the palette to see how it performs. I do like the colors in it. Color story is very nice. Like I said, I got this palette from the new Boxy Charm subscription that I just subscribed to. I kept hearing so many people rave about Boxy Charm, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna try it. My eyes are prepped and done. Some other things that are new, I got my hair done. Doesn't look the best right now, but that's okay. I got it highlighted with some red and blonde highlights, and there's still some purple in there somewhere from when I had my hair done before. And I also got some piercings I forgot to tell you guys about. I got my rook pierced. I got my rook hair pierced. And I got my tragus pierced. I got these pierced last September, I believe, with my friend Carrie. Alright, so the first color I'm going to go in with is sand is this one here. I'm going to put it all over my upper crease. And I'm going to take a Morphe M332 brush to do that. Ooh, okay, so this color is very powdery. Like I'm going to need a lot more to go in it. Wow, this is very, very neutral, very, very plain. And I have a lot in it. So the next color I think I'm going to go in with is, I think I'm going to go in with Plumberry because Plumberry is the one that's calling me, this purple one here. This palette, you have to build these colors up. Wow, I have a lot of product on the brush. Yeah, you really have to build up this product. Not very, I don't know. I have very mixed reviews as of right now. I don't really know yet. And I do have a base on, so I don't know. So I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease. I can't do it the best, so we'll just bear with me. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas Primer. And this is a BH Cosmetics 102 brush that I've kind of flattened to do this. Just one thing that I have to keep practicing to do because I can't do a cut crease to save my life. Okay, so that's the best I can do. Next color I'm going to go in with is gold. This gold color here. I'm going to put it right on top of where I have the eyeshadow primer base. Morphe 153 brush to do that. Wow, this palette, ooh, I don't know about it. I'm putting a lot on the brush, but it's just not performing that well. going to take the color Emerald, it's the green, and I'm going to do something with it. Excited about this palette, and now I'm not. It's not performing well at all. Maybe these colors just don't work with my skin. I don't know. I'm gonna take the color Black and pop it in the corners. I don't know, you guys. I don't really know. I'm going to come off camera and finish up this look. I don't know if I like it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I finished up my face with my Black Opal foundation, stick foundation in Heavenly Honey. I love this Black Opal foundation. It's really, really good. It's really, really good on the skin, and I don't know, I think it's very mattifying and it covers up everything. I also put Plumberry on my lower lash line, if you could see. I popped on some Salon Perfect lashes, Glow Glam lashes. I got these for $5 at Marshall's. The blush I have on is Fiji Fun from BH Cosmetics, and I also used Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Money Honey. This color is so pretty. It was the only one that I had available. I got this during Thanksgiving when he had his products on sale. This is the only color I can get, but I do love it. I'll do a little swatch for you. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that color is. Colors don't do justice. I have that on. And lipstick I have on is Essence Ultra Last Instant Color 17. Here's the color. And here's a little swatch. Swatch it again. So do I recommend this palette? I'm on the fence with it. I still have to like wear it and see how it performs, like how the colors would last, if they'll last all day or not. My recommendations on this Violet Voss Essentials palette, I'd have to say I'm in the middle. It is not my favorite palette. This palette, I would use it basically as my everyday work type of palette, or it's just the colors I can get it on my eyes and go. I had to use a lot of product on my eyes, and then the mattes were very powdery. The shimmers, they're okay, but I did have to use a lot of products. This palette I will be taking to my work and keeping it in my desk because I have to put on makeup every day. I just do really simple makeup, so this palette would be perfect for that. I do not recommend it for if you want to go out and you want to do like a dramatic eye. I don't recommend this palette for that. But I did get it in my BoxyCharm, so I mean I didn't pay for it, but I am glad that I got it so I could review it. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell. Thank you for coming back for my honest opinion review on my first impressions with this Violet Voss Essentials palette. And I will see all you birdies and beautiful people later. Bye, everybody.